How to put music on your featured photos on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. So first of all, open up Facebook application. So to put music on your featured photos on Facebook, you need to add music on your stories first. So in case of adding music to your already uploaded stories and later on featured photo, it's not possible for now. So first of all, tap on create story. Now select any photo. Now select your music. Now click on share. Now once you have added your music and uploaded the story, open up the story. Now go back, tap on your profile. Now tap on new. Now select your story and click on next. Now tap on save. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.